go out. Come here. Sky. Sky. Oh. So her name is Aki. This one, her name is Skoy. And her name is Pochi. And this one, the hot dog one. Look. Let's go, let's go. Picture, picture, picture. Oh, hindi makita yung hotdog. There's Aki. Oy. Pochi here. Pochi here. Casper, come here. Casper. We are introducing our 5 dogs at home. We are introducing our hot.
Pochi.
Yeah, Pochi. Is Luke. And Aki. And mother.
Sky.
Sky.
Casper.
The son. Casper. Right, so we are the dog lover. 25 kilo within 2 weeks. Because they eat rice and alternative pork liver and chicken liver. And during my day of vegetables, bulang-bulang. They are Batanggenyo and Batanggenyo. Look at it.
Casper.
Picture mo pa, picture mo pa. Casper, come here. Come.
Casper.
Yeah. Oh, another dog. Picture.